If you want to earn passive income by posting branded content in YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, download the Noise app. It gives you content to post and pays you on the views of your post. Probably I've earned like $16 at first plus $10 bonus, but the second pay that I got is like $48 after a month. Well, it's just by posting. I don't really need to earn that much, but instead of just scrolling on TikToks or YouTube or Instagram without getting paid, I think Noise app is a good app to download and get paid a little amount of money.